What's going on, my gang? Today I'm going to show you how to get unlimited coins on the Clapper. So as you can see, guys, in this app, I'm going to open it up and you can see I am broke, but in the app we have the mod menu here where we can unlock unlimited coins. So that's what I'm doing right now. So let's see if it unlocks it, and then it should add unlimited coins to our account. So let's just give it a second for this to load. You can see right here. All right, unlocking, guys. Let's see what happens. All right, so it's working. It says the coins are activated. So as you can see, I've only got 12,000, so they should start going up. So let's see. Oh my gosh, it's working. So I'm gonna show you guys how to download this Clapper mod for your device. So let's get into the tutorial. So it's really easy, guys. Just open your browser and type the website tweakmod.com. Of course, I can't spell, so I typed it in wrong, but let me just fix that. Okay, so now that we're on the website, we're going to type in Clapper, press install on the mod, and the last step is going to be the verification. So during this step, we need to download two apps, follow instructions. They're 100% free from official app store. So let's just give it a second for this to go ahead and load up, as you can see. So it shouldn't be that hard. So I'm just going to wait for it to load. As you can see, so let's just give it a second for this to load, and we should be all good to go, guys. So I'm just going to let it load up. And then we're going to be done, bro. We're going to be rich. Yo. All right, so now it's bringing us to that verification step, which is the last step. And we just need to download two of these apps and follow the instructions, which is 100% free. So as you can see, we got all these apps. So you just got to pick two of them. So like Family Island says reach level 11. And then we have the Underdog, and we have the TikTok, which also says down run for 30 seconds. And we have Evertail, which also says down run for 30 seconds. So there's going to be a lot of games on here, which are really easy to do. So be sure to try this out, guys. I'll see you later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel and tell your friends, because this is really, really cool.